Hello, my name is Ashwarita Dashmahabatra Maiti. I'm from West Bengal. I have been selected as a PO in Central Bank of India this year, and most importantly, I'm a mother of 1-year-old child. I started my preparation when my daughter was 7 months old, and all the mothers who are preparing, they know the struggle to prepare with a small kid. And when I started preparing, she was not completely on solid food, so she was dependent on me, so I could only study when she was sleeping, like in the afternoon or mostly at night after she slept. So throughout the day I would be exhausted, and then I had to study. um, but that was also kind of a push factor or motivation that I have just these few hours, so I have to be completely focused and I have to finish my target of the day. For prelims, I went through the topics, what are the topics, and I chalked out what are my strengths, and I saw the videos from the YouTube and all. Whichever concept wasn't clear, I mostly prepared through mocks. In such a short period of time, I felt mocks were only the way through which I could clear my exam. I started giving mocks. I bought different companies mocks, like 2 3 companies mocks I bought, and I started giving the mocks. I appeared in RRB PO but could not clear it. So it was really disheartening. I again started preparing for IBPS PO, and I cleared prelims. During mains, it was more difficult because my daughter was 1 year old at that time. She started walking, so I could not sit at a place in front of her and study. I had to lock myself in a room, and meanwhile, my husband and my in laws, my parents, they would look after her. And a family support during this time is very necessary, which I really got. I'm blessed with a good family, and my husband is very supportive. Actually, he is the one who did all the research about which videos to watch from the YouTube, like which teacher to follow and all. He did all this research, and I would just follow his steps, and I prepared that way. And for mains also, I gave almost 25 mocks. In mains, the level goes way too much higher. So in such a short period, I felt only mocks could help me. So I started giving mocks. I used to sit for 3 hours completely, give the mocks, analyze them, and there was a time when I just scored one less than one in quant. It was so disheartening, like how would I clear the exam, but I cleared it. Actually, the olive board mocks are a bit tough, but they really are brainstorming. They help you a lot during the exam. When you sit in the exam sitting for 3 hours continuously, you are already prepared when you are giving a mock from the olive board. So I would really recommend olive board mocks. And there are various times when people around you say a lot of things, and being a mother, which I had to face, like when I started preparing, people around me started saying, you're preparing with such a small kid, it's impossible, and bank exam, it's very tough, it is impossible to clear, you're just wasting your time. When I cleared prelims, they heard it and they started saying that prelims is easier to clear. Many people clear it, but with a kid, you would not be able to clear the mains. And where will you get the time to prepare so much? So those are the things. Like if you take it as a demotivation, then it's really bad for you. But my husband always encouraged me, and he always said that take it as a challenge, that you can do it, be an example for everyone. And really that helped me. uh, so and during the after that, during the interview, I took the interview batch of Aditya sir from Olive Board. It really helped me. The banking classes and the mock interview, the feedback he gives, the things like what questions I faced during my actual interview were mostly on my daughter and my educational background. So you have to anticipate those questions beforehand. That is what Aditya sir taught us, that you need to prepare your questions yourself based on your background. So those helped me a lot. And also my husband also arranged for me mocks at home, uh, by arranging his friends as panel members. So that also helped me a lot. All the best to all the mothers who are preparing. It is a really tough period during a preparation if you have a child, but if you want it, you can do it. Just think that you are doing it for her better future or for his better future. So that will give you motivation. Thank you.